everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie, and today in the craft room I'm going to share a little bit of Happy Mail. This one comes from our sweet Mary G over at Cut Glue Relax. I'll put her logo up here so you can find her easier. And I love this smiley face paper. This is just adorable. So I was going to open it all the way, and then I said, what are you doing, Les? Your friends want to see too. Got a little excited. So let's see what we have here. Is this a opening here? I don't know what this is. Does it open there? No. Does it open here? How do we open it? We did not know. Okay. Now what? This is a cool box. I'm probably opening it completely wrong, but whatever. It's a cool box. Oh, Mary, you didn't have to send one back to me. Leslie, thank you, from Mary. All right, so we had participated in Bethany's Halfway to Halloween swap, and she couldn't find a swap box that Bethany wanted, and so I gladly sent her one of mine. Well, she sent me one back. She's just such a sweet girl. Such a sweet girl. Thank you, Mary. Over here, we have a note, and we have some stickers. She used some tape so I could use this with another swap, I guess. I don't know. Let's look at the, oh my goodness. Is this Elvis? Hold on. No, Jimmy Dean. Okay, that's James Dean. Might not even be him at all, but it looks like him. Okay, King of Rock and Roll. Oh, these are adorable. These will be cute in my planner, my work planner. Cinema. Guess who is so behind in making all of y'all's souvenirs for my vacation? Deaths in the family, big changes at work, like, you know, eventually. And when I retire, I'm going to do better, but, you know, it's a little much. It's a little much. Look at these precious little Shirley Temple type girls. She's a business lady. She's casual. Oh, she's just a sweet little innocent. Bouquet of daisies. Ah, this is adorable. Love. 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 I don't know who he is, but he's good looking. Okay, love all of those. Cannot wait to play with those. Thank you, Mary. I'm going to read this off camera. Oh. So she's just saying thanks for being a friend she can depend on. When she needed me, I was there. And it is all good, Mary. That's what friends are for. There is nothing as good as the crafting community here on YouTube, because the ladies that I have made friends with over the years, oh, she did get these. I just saw these and I picked them up and I said, I think I need to get these for Mary and I. Look, I'm behind on watching all of my YouTubes. Mary, I probably got 5 or 6 videos of yours I've got to watch. I'm struggling. Okay, I am struggling. But these are adorable because they are Apollo launch team. Right? So they all have like a space theme. Adorable. Okay. Just precious. Look at little Woodstock. All right, well, thank you so much, Mary, for this lovely package. I really appreciate it, and I'm going to send out your swap very soon. We've got school starting up in the next week or so, and child, if y'all only knew all the stuff going on in my life at once, y'all would say, oh my God, how are you even sane? Medication. Let's say it together. Medication. Okay? Alrighty then. Thanks so much for joining me for today's quick video. Thank you to Mary G. Be sure to check out her channel, subscribe, let her know Leslee sent you. I look forward to seeing you all again real soon in the craft room. Bye everyone.